I live for Jesus, you guys. Do you live for Jesus? Or do you just say that? Most people really don't even live for themselves. They live for whoever they think they are. But if you don't know God, then how do you actually know who you are? See, I'm late for church. Mainly because of this, daylight savings time. It totally threw me off. I wasn't expecting it. I ended up waking up really early. Then I tried to go back to sleep, and I couldn't go back to sleep. So I decided to take a shower, and then I got really tired. And so, of course, I told myself, well, I'm just going to go to sleep for 20 minutes, which is really stupid. That never happens. And I know that never happens, but I wanted to show you what living for Jesus looks like, okay? We made all of these out of popsicle sticks, okay? We have this... Let's do this. We have this whole thing full of popsicle sticks, okay? I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a whole bag full of popsicle stick crosses. And we're gonna pass these out to people because it's better than a firearm.